my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Today is Earth Day, and what better way to showcase healthy snack recipes like powerhouse cookies, sesame snacks, energy berry bites, maple glazed walnuts, or this one, trail mix. With nuts, dried fruits, seeds, and dark chocolate, along with a touch of spices, this is a great snack to munch on. It's satisfying and also filling. So let's get cooking. The first thing we'll do is to toast the nuts. I choose almonds and walnuts, but you can go for others, and for more ideas, read the blog. I'm also using peanuts, but they're already dry roasted, so no need to do it again. After spreading them out in a single layer, we'll transfer the baking sheet to a 350-degree preheated oven and toast them for just 10 minutes. Then we'll allow them to cool to room temperature. Meanwhile, we'll continue with the recipe. In a large bowl, we'll add dry roasted peanuts, some sunflower seeds, as well as pumpkin seeds, then dried cranberries, followed by raisins, also dark chocolate, not milk chocolate, all right, and unsweetened coconut flakes. We'll now add our cooled toasted walnuts and toasted almonds. Next, we'll add a little bit of ground Himalayan pink salt, the same with ground cinnamon, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. These seasonings, even in small quantity, have great health benefits. Once again, visit the website for more info. We'll stir until the ingredients are nicely blended and store in a glass container. The mixture will keep for up to 3 weeks if it lasts that long. And my friends, this is our trail mix. Loaded with tasty and healthy ingredients, this delicious recipe is a great snack to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!